Dear students, today we will discuss about self-inductance of a long solenoid. That means what is the value of L? L means self-inductance, which is already discussed in previous lecture for a solenoid. Now, before that, we already discussed here Biot-Savart's law and Ampere's. For particular solenoid, whether it is long solenoid or toroidal solenoid, you can apply Ampere's. So, according to Ampere's law, we know the magnetic field due to a solenoid. Magnetic field means B is equal to mu naught N I divided by L, where L is the length of the solenoid. What is mu naught? Mu naught is the absolute magnetic permeability of free space or air. I is the amount of current. Now, we can find out magnetic flux. Magnetic flux, which is denoted by symbol phi. And according to the definition of the magnetic flux, phi is equal to B into area of each turn. Area. Suppose area is denoted by A. Put the value of your B from equation 1, that is equal to mu naught Ni divided by L into A. This is magnetic flux for each turn. Clear? Now we have to find out the total magnetic flux. This is the magnetic flux through each turn. Now the total magnetic flux. Total magnetic flux is equal to flux through each turn into number of turns, which is your N. So, magnetic flux for each turn, that is equal to mu naught Ni divided by L into A into number of turns, that is equal to N. So, total magnetic flux for the solenoid is equal to mu naught Nia divided by L into N. Suppose this is equation number 2. Now, according to the definition of your self-induction, we know, or we can write down, phi is equal to Li. Already discussed. Suppose this is equation number 3. Now, equate these two equations, equation number 2 and equation number 3. Total magnetic flux. Suppose this is also denoted by a phi total. And from equation number 3, this is also phi is equal to L. So, you can write down Li is equal to this much, that is equal to mu naught N into N square Ia divided by N. Now you can write down I will be cancelled from both sides. So rest part is here L. L is equal to mu naught N square A divided by N. So this is the final expression for L. L means which is denoted for your self-inductance, not self-induction, that is for your self-inductance. For a solenoid is given by mu naught n square A divided by L. Now from this relation you can write down self inductance is directly proportional to number of n is the number of turns, so n square of the number of turns, and directly proportional to A, where A is the area of the solenoid, and inversely proportional to length of the solenoid.